this is the level that everybody's watching, right? This is a level that everybody's thinking about, everybody's talking about, right? So keep in mind when there's that prominent level of support such as this, there could be a lot of head fakes, downside shenanigans, stuff like that. So keep in mind, just because it gets below that level doesn't always mean that that's the signal for this entire thing getting into another 15% plunge. Ladies and gentlemen, Keiki here. Welcome to the Daily Update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down about 0.9%. There. On the S&P Nasdaq 0.4%, semiconductor 1.1%, Dow 1, Russell 2000 did the same, transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market. Every single sectors are red today. Bitcoin up, gold, silver, miners are down quite heavily. Dollar up, oil down, treasury bond down, VIX popped about 8%. There. Let's stay with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed on Friday. Looks like there's a little bit of continuation on that first hour. However, the micro-term moving average has been coming down for some time now. Been supporting the bears, as you can see right here. Since that gap down, with that micro-term coming down, things been very, very difficult. So even though with a little bit of pop on that first hour, right on the micro-term moving average, bulls got nothing to work with at this point. So you can see how quickly bulls are not able to get above that micro-term. That's a second hour and continue to come down to the downside. 363, that's the low. That's the year-to-date low from June, right? And that's the level we kind of hit that level once again today. A little bit of doji there. Maybe a little bit of green candle. However, again, that micro-term moving average, bulls can do nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. As you can see, as soon as we hit that micro-term, inevitably, as you can see here, another red candle on that last hour, closing the day with weakness here. So, you can see all the moving averages. That's the midterm, that's the short term, and that's the micro term. Unless if bulls can reclaim all of those moving averages to the upside, things are going to be very, very difficult for the buyers. Not only that, we got this down gap that still needs to be filled, right? You can see that 363 is the level. I'm going to zoom out here. That's the level where you can see it. Last time we did see that bounce back in mid-June, it looks like. And that rally continued about exactly 2 months, actually, because it peaked out in August 16th, right? Bottom June 17th. So exactly 2 months of rally that ended it very, very abruptly here. We're back at 363 level. This is the level that everybody's watching, right? This is a level that everybody's thinking about, everybody's talking about, right? So keep in mind when there's that prominent level of support such as this, there could be a lot of head fakes, downside shenanigans, stuff like that. So keep in mind, just because it gets below that level doesn't always mean that that's the signal for this entire thing getting into another 15% plunge. Keep in mind, we've already came down quite a bit. It was trading at 430 about a month ago, now 360. At least, there might be some sort of a trap in this vicinity. If we do see any kind of downside move, keep that in mind. It could be head fakes and shenanigans before market needs to kind of get that lower high going, right? You see the lower highs? Maybe that's what the market is preparing to face, is maybe trapping some people here, maybe getting some stops out. A lot of people want to place their stops here just underneath this low. Market maybe want to get that stops out before getting right back. Let's check out that oscillator. Oscillator is trying to get back up here while the price is down. But then again, with this current price action and this selling pressure, unless we see the price getting above all of these moving average, reclaim it, and then cultivating higher lows and higher highs, some of these oscillators are gonna quickly, we'll see some pop and it could quickly come right back down. So that's this is kind of bearish territory that we're in, where we seeing you can see the bullish territory, and bears are not able to bring that oscillator all the way to the bottom of his span, right? There's spaces here, yes or no, right? But while we're in a bearish territory, you can see there are spaces at the top of his band. You see how bulls are not able to put that oscillator all the way to the top of his band. And that's telling us buyers are extremely, extremely scared at this level. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening and go train tomorrow.